Yo, what is good everybody, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the final day of vlog week, which is 7 days, 7 videos, and 7 different giveaways, which we're ending up giving away like 20 pairs of shoes in these videos. Today's final video is going to be a Saru General $7,500 Louis Vuitton mystery box. Okay, this is a $5,000 mystery box, not $7,500. I calculated wrong. Now, we bought some stuff from Saru General back in the day doing a bunch of mystery boxes. They reached out and say, we want to get in on vlog week, and this is specifically Louis Vuitton items. I don't know if that means like Louis Vuitton Nike, if it means like Louis Vuitton bags. So we're gonna find out today. This is legit the last day of vlog week. It's been a crazy one. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I'm excited. Today we're announcing another giveaway, and we'll probably end up doing 2 giveaways in this video just to end it off. And guys, when I tell you this vlog week's down to the wire, this package has been ready for us for like literally 4 days here in Atlanta, but they didn't deliver it till today. Today's actually the day you're watching it that we're filming this. So I'm about to edit this super quick, and so let me just stop talking and open this up. Here we go. Very simple box. This came all the way from the UK. You guys know Saru General. In the past, I believe they did another Louis Vuitton mystery box for us, right? Yeah, so they did a $17,500 one where we got a ton of like the Louis Vuitton Supreme stuff, which was nuts. So I don't know what this is gonna entail, but we're gonna find out, and I already see some Louis Vuitton packaging. So let's go ahead, take the bubble wrap off, and see what we got. Oh man, I'm not even kidding. I legit was about to go buy a new Louis Vuitton wallet. Why'd I do that? Because we have some stuff on here already. So first up, we got a Louis Vuitton card holder. This is used. These retail for about like 380 bucks. What's gonna be cool about this, a lot of this stuff from what I'm seeing already is gonna be able to be bought on my website for you guys at a good price. So since this is used, I would assume this probably goes for like 100 bucks, 200 bucks maybe. So that is a good first item. This is like their damier print and a card holder. If you guys don't know, I'm currently using a Dior card holder. This is the Jordan Dior. That's what I've been using right there. I love a little card holder. So that's a good first item, a couple $100. And I think we're gonna have a lot of little items here that we're gonna be giving good deals to you guys. So maybe this will be a giveaway item, maybe some Louis Vuitton. Next up looks like a coin pouch. Let's check that out. Yeah, it's like a little key. I think you put like keys there and like put coins in. And actually, I think it's just a key holder. I had one of these when I was a kid, not Louis Vuitton, but some random brand. So that's interesting. Right there, another damier print, I believe it is. And we'll just keep going. There's a massive bag right here, and there's just so much stuff. So let's keep going. Let's keep going and see. We're about to just have a ton of wallets. We're gonna have a crazy amount of wallets that we will be listing on harrisonnevel.com, and you may be able to get it in time for Christmas if you order quick enough. So next up is it's kind of like a vertical card holder where it goes like this. You can put in money that way, but it's kind of like a thicker version. Now, we actually did get a wallet in another mystery box as well this week from Sophie, so that'll be cool to compare. But check it out, it's like a sideways kind of wallet there, the classic original monogram. It's the last day for giveaways, and we're giving away 2 items for today. Now, these are the lost and found Jordan ones right here. This is actually a pair that I picked for my wife, and she said, I absolutely do not want these. Go watch that video if you haven't seen it. So we're giving away this pair right here, which is gonna be a size 6Y. You guys can swap them out, get whatever size you guys want. And we also are giving away a Louis Vuitton wallet right here. This is nice right there if you ever need a new wallet. So rules for the giveaway are very simple. All you have to do, 1, just subscribe to this YouTube channel right down below. Turn on post notifications as a bonus if you guys want to. That doesn't count for the giveaway. Number 2, go ahead and follow me at harrisonnevel on Instagram. It'll be linked in the description down below. Number 3, comment on this video right here the favorite item or sneaker that you see in this video, as well as your Instagram username, and that is it. On December 24th, we're picking all the winners over on Instagram, so do not miss it. And thank you guys for such an amazing vlog week, and congrats on these giveaways. 3 wallets so far. Let's go for something big, because we got a lot of wallets. I don't know, this is gonna be, I don't know what I expected going into this, but we have a nice little, it's kind of like, what would you call this, saddle? But
like a sling bag.
A sling bag, yeah. So it's backwards. This is more vintage Louis Vuitton. So you can see right there the nice sling bag. They made the Supreme Louis Vuitton one that we got of this, which was crazy. If we have the time while we're editing, we'll throw that clip in here. But this is a cool one. This is a nice little bag to use if you don't put your phone and stuff in. A lot of people like to use these, so that's very popular. And this is gonna be a lot of stuff, guys. Now that I'm like thinking about it, like how much we've already pulled out, there's gonna be a lot of stuff in here. Maybe this is something newer. The vintage stuff maybe doesn't have a box. Maybe this is something newer. So we'll see. We got the original box. We got Louis Vuitton right there. Ooh, I believe this is from the Virgil collection. This is a Louis Vuitton belt with like the all over like rainbow graffiti print. That's pretty cool. I feel like Nick would wear this.
It's not bad.
No, he doesn't like it, so I'm wrong. But it's like the white right there. This, it's used, I feel like this is from a Virgil collection. That's a pretty small belt, but that's a good one right there. That's some newer stuff. I feel like these belts retail out to be like $700-800 maybe. Pricing on this stuff is gonna be tough. It's really hard for me to even gauge what the pricing is, but just know we spent total, keep moving and go for some more wallets. This is a red leather wallet. Another one of those square, thicker ones. This one actually has a coin pouch. So this is definitely a used older wallet, but I like this print. They still use this print to this day. You can see the LV right there. I'm interested to see if we're gonna have any Supreme Louis Vuitton in there because of the last one we did. That would be pretty cool, but it's kind of out now. But I feel like we might see some Virgil LV in there. The problem is I'm not that familiar with like stuff that comes out with Louis Vuitton, even like with the Virgil stuff. Okay, we have like a nice little, this is like a mini little, this is like the key holder, I think it is. A mini key holder and a rainbow monogram. Now, I know Murakami did a monogram with Louis Vuitton, but I don't know if this is that. It could be, but I'm not sure. This is bad. You got all my information on sneakers. I'm on it. For this stuff, I'm bad. Oh, I was gonna pull out the big bag there. It looks like a briefcase of some sort. Let's see what this is. Could be like a keychain maybe. It is, yep, a Louis Vuitton keychain. It has like a little key there with a lock. It's pretty cool. It has like the nice little emblems there. That just goes under your keys, nice little thing. I feel like that'd be too much for my keys, too much banging around, but another cool one. I think those retail for around $300. Nice little gift. Okay, next up, ooh, check this out. That's actually pretty cool. So I think this is the Nigo Louis Vuitton. Obviously they have a ton of cool collaborations that he did, but I believe that's what this one is. I thought originally maybe it'd be Pharrell Williams, but this is the Nigo collab, and he did some crazy stuff. But this is pretty cool. This one's going for like, I just looked it up, like $900 on StockX. So I guess that's a little bit, I don't know what retail was on it. I can kind of go ahead and check. Last sale, $800, retail $715. That's pretty cool there. I didn't know about that one. And we're probably gonna have a couple things in here that are pretty unique. All right, let's go. We got a bag. Now, there might not be too many items left in here actually. This is a Louis Vuitton. Yeah, I think it's a mouse pad, but that's a very small mouse pad. That's like the size of a mouse, I feel like. But that's pretty cool. That's a nice one. So this goes for about $200. This is actually the Takashi Murakami collaboration. So this is the Murakami right there. That's pretty cool. Very small. They go for like $200, so not too bad. But that's a cool collaboration, obviously. So let's go for this. We have a, let me see. No, we're not gonna go for this. We're gonna save that and go for this. This looks to be a Louis Vuitton duffel. This may be, I think this is a used one, yeah. So I have one as well. I have like one of the larger ones that I use for like the weekend. It has all this stuff like it's new on there, but I think it's used. These are called the Speedy, I believe, and there's like the Speedy 45, the Speedy 20. I don't know which one this is if I had to guess. Yeah, it's definitely used. This is probably like a Speedy 30. These go for like $1,500 to $2,500, I believe. I think that's what those are in the range for. A lot of sneaker stores sell these as well. You see these in there pretty often. It's pretty cool. Carry your shoes in. Could be a gym bag, whatever you want it to be. This one's a little smaller, so it's easier to take for like short trips. We have like a larger one you can take on long trips. That we got, that's vintage as well. We have that, and then this may be the biggest, oh my God. This may be the craziest piece of this whole box. Let me see. This is like a briefcase, travel case. So I had to just look this up. This is called the Satellite Suitcase. Goes for about $700. So actually is less than I expected. But I believe you have to undo it like this. This is kind of, I mean, this is pretty cool. You put your like laptop in there. It's just kind of big though for like a carry-on. We open this up. Yep, check that out. This has got somebody's name on it and their zip code. Original. So this is definitely vintage. That's pretty cool though. I mean, this is really like clothing. You can maybe put a laptop in there and some clothing as like a nice little weekend bag. But it's less than I thought. $700 is not too bad. Okay, we're gonna go to the final item. We're going to the final item, which is this right here. I kind of got a sneak peek at what's in here, and I think I know what it is based on what I saw. It's definitely a newer collab with Louis Vuitton. I believe this is the NBA Louis Vuitton, and I feel like I've seen this before. Let me pull this out. Oh my, check that. This is, I believe it is, the Louis Vuitton NBA jacket. I think these are like $1,700 to $2,000. So it's got the monogram all over, super clean. I feel like it's like a small though. I don't know if that would fit me. It's like, this could be an actual wear. That looks pretty small, doesn't it?
It does.
Hold on, we gotta try it on for the video. It's not that, it's a little small.
I think you need the next size up at least.
It's definitely probably like a size small. but that's pretty nice though. That's pretty clean. That's gonna wrap it for vlog week. I'm glad we got to do something different with like Louis Vuitton at the end rather than just doing all the same sneakers and stuff. Thank you guys for participating in this vlog week. If you enjoyed it, let us know in the comments. We will do another one coming up, maybe beginning of 2022 in a different fashion. We really like the mystery box style, but it's hard to put these videos together. We were grinding it out, so give a shout out to Nick in the comments down below for getting all his filming done. Give a shout out to me down below for getting all his filming done. And thank you guys. I hope you enjoy all the giveaways. Again, don't miss out. December 24th on my Instagram, we'll be announcing all the winners from all the giveaways from these videos. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Make us the first sneaker YouTube channel with 2 million subscribers. I'll see you guys in the next one, probably in a couple days. I think we got a $50,000 mystery box coming. I don't know yet. We'll see. And we'll see you guys in the next one. This is Harrison and Nick signing out.